If your wholesale business still runs on spreadsheets, sticky notes, and cross fingers, we need to talk. What if I told you there is a way to automate your orders, inventory, and integrate your back office without a chaos? I'm Frank Monterosa, the Wholesale Pro, and welcome back to my channel where we turn wholesale stress into wholesale success. Running a wholesale or CPG business is tough. Inventory is flying, reps are out there in the field. You got 30 tabs open just to process one single order. Sound familiar? Yeah, we all been there. That is why I want to put you on something game-changing. QuickBooks manufacturing and wholesale software is not just an accounting software anymore. QuickBooks handles inventory, purchase orders, sales orders, customer tracking, you name it, right? This is the secret weapon you're not using yet, and that will help you 10x your business. Now, here is where it gets even better. Our platform, Orders in Seconds, integrates seamlessly with QuickBooks. QuickBooks is powerful, no doubt about it. But let's be real. There's some limitations, things like seasonal pricing, assigning lot numbers, or managing expiration dates can get tricky. That's where Orders in Seconds steps in. Our mobile-first solution made those challenges a breeze, so you get both of both worlds without failing short. And here is the kicker. We're hosting a free QuickBooks webinar on June 5th, co-hosted by QuickBooks and Orders in Seconds. Spoiler alert. We have a QuickBooks exclusive deal just for attending. So keep watching. So if you are ready to see how QuickBooks and Orders in Seconds can help you streamline your wholesale operation, just hit the link below to register. It is 100% free. Now, I'm curious about what is your biggest pain point when it comes to managing orders or inventory? Drop it in the comments below. I actually read all of them, I promise. Look, it is 2025, and if you are still manually entering orders or checking stock with the clipboard, you are leaving money on the table. This software combo, QuickBooks plus Orders in Seconds, is designed to help you scale faster, automate boring stuff, and give your sales rep more time to actually sell. Oh, an exclusive deal you get just for attending. QuickBooks is running a limited time promo right now. 90% off for your first 3 months. That's practically free. Combine that with our mobile ordering tools from Orders in Seconds. You got an enterprise level solution without the enterprise price tag. This webinar is your chance to learn directly from the pros at QuickBooks and Orders in Seconds. If you are ready to finally stop chasing your own tail and start growing your business with real tools that work, then I'll see you there on June 5th. And please don't forget to register below. If this video helped you even a little, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss another Wholesale Pro tip. I'm Frank Monterosa, the Wholesale Pro, signing off. Catch you at the webinar.